case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1927 case heard by the Alabama Supreme Court, John F. Clark and Company and Nelson found themselves caught up in a legal dispute involving a rescinded agreement and a third-party debt. Nelson, who had relied on a promise that Clark and Company would pay off a debt owed to him by a third party, had his hopes for debt recovery dashed when the agreement was abandoned before he had accepted or acted upon it. The situation leading to the lawsuit was complex. Nelson's debtor, S.R. Stewart, operating a cotton brokerage, conducted business with Clark and Company on Nelson's behalf, resulting in a debt of over $2,000 owed to Nelson. Clark and Company, stepping in to assist Stewart during financial difficulties, sent a representative, Marks, to evaluate the cotton business. While doing so, Nelson continued to place orders culminating in a standalone profit paid separately by Clark and Company. However, Stewart's debt remained unpaid, leading Nelson to sue the company. Nelson's position hinged on his belief that Marks, speaking for Clark and Company, had committed to settling Stewart's debts to his customers, including Nelson. Though the lower court supported the rescission of the agreement, the case was appealed as Nelson persisted in his attempt to reclaim the remaining debt. The higher court decided in favor of Clark and Company, reinforcing that the agreement was duly rescinded before Nelson acted upon it. This pivotal decision reversed the court's initial judgment and ordered a remand of the case. The ruling, backed by reason, authority, and a strong sense of justice, declared that Clark and Company were entitled to an affirmative charge, effectively dismissing Nelson's claim. The court's verdict concurred unanimously among the Chief Justice and all accompanying justices. In delivering their verdict, the court emphasized the standing principle that a third-party beneficiary could enforce a contract only if they had both relied on the promise in good faith and had dismissed their debtor with the defendant's consent.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.